Okay friends, one of the first things we need to do is safely raise and support the vehicle so your wheel's off the ground. Once you've done that, we're going to come right here to your center cover, use a nice little pry bar, and go ahead and pop this off. Now that we've done that, we're going to remove all 6 of our 19mm lug nuts and take the wheel off. Now that we have the wheel off of here, we have a nice clear view of our sway bar link. To start removing it, it's important to see the inside center piece right there. That's a little Allen head. I'm going to show you what tool to use in a second. But first what we're going to do is we're going to remove, or at least loosen, this 18mm nut. A lot of times what happens is as soon as the nut breaks free, the stud in the center starts to spin. That can be a hassle. So we're going to use a tool that looks like this. This is just a little Allen head key. You're going to find the size that fits right in there, okay? Take your wrench, put it right over this. Put the Allen key right in the center, and then we're going to go ahead and turn the Allen key clockwise, which will in turn turn the nut counterclockwise. You can see that some of the thread locking stuff is coming off. That's pretty common, especially as the stud heats up. There we are. Now we're going to do the same to the upper one. There we are, friends. Okay, friends, it's time for an install. Just make sure all the angles line up with the original. We're going to put it through from the outside in on the top, and then from the inside out on the bottom. Start on both of your nuts, and then we'll bottom them out and torque them to manufacturer's specifications. Now let's tighten these sway bar link nuts to 74 foot-pounds. All right, let's get the wheel up on here. Start on all your lug nuts, bottom them out, and then we'll torque them to 103 foot-pounds. Let's torque these in a crisscross manner. Now it's going to be time to put on your center cover. If you were to look at the back side, you're going to see something that looks a lot like a valve stem. Line that up with your valve stem. Then just give it a nice loving bonk. Make sure it's completely secured. Take it for a road test.